Wow. So this morning was amazing, and I pulled 3 cards. One card was Khnum, one card was Satis, and the other was Sobek. So this morning we were able to come to Kalabash, and here it is. Khnum and Satis are sitting right here in Amun Ra. So I just love the synchronicities of how things are working, that the message this morning was from them. And the message was discussing that, we got to let go of the dead, let the dead bury the dead, but to move on, to cut out the necrosis, anything dead in our lives, and move on. And the fact that they are a part of the water and living water type beings, it just brings the whole message.